Alright, welcome back to another video, guys, and today we are in SkyBlox. This is my first SkyBlox video that I made. I made one before, but I decided not to post it. But this one will be a tutorial on fastest way to get wood in this game. If you have not played this game, then you should definitely go check it out for yourself. It is free and it's on Roblox yeah, it's really fun. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. As you can see, someone has, that's not right, he hacked. I'm joking, he probably didn't. But I just saw these. Nope, no apples. Okay, so actually first. Oh, I got a lemon tree. Didn't know that. Well, first, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to go over here to the seeds. You're gonna have to press F, and you open this. I just did that. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do if you want regular saplings for regular wood. Regular saplings are for regular wood, pine saplings are for pine wood, and birch saplings are for birch wood, and maple saplings are for maple wood. And then avocado tree saplings give you avocados, which give you 32 coins per one, which is more than anything on this right here. But fastest way to make money is to bake in this game. So the most thing that gets you the most money is the jam sandwich, which sells for 226 coins. That's pretty good if you ask me. Well, anyways, okay, sorry. Anyways, so what you want to do now is you're going to want, how much saplings do I have? 14 of them. So, well, you're gonna want a decent amount of seeds, and also shout out for Jess. Well, go check out Jesse Gamer's channel. He was the one who gave me this idea for the video. And yeah, I don't want to steal anyone's ideas, so go watch his video too after this one. Anyway, or before this one. Anyways, so I did not know there was sand. I forgot there was sand in this game. Okay, getting off the topic. I'm really sorry. Anyways, so oh yeah, I forgot what I wanted to do. So what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to buy some grass. As you can see, I have 17 blocks. So you're going to want to go over here and get some grass from this. As many as you want. I'm going to buy 100. Even though we don't need that much, but I'm probably going to need it for a future tutorial. Don't know what it is gonna be yet, but stick around until that. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm going to get my axe and break all of these trees down. Let me speed this up a bit. Alright guys, so now that that's done, what you want to do, hold up, let me check some, okay. So what you want to do is you want to build a little area for your 24 saplings apparently. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to build 24 blocks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so now that I have that, I can do that. Then get all my saplings, and all you want to do is left click every single one of them down, mix together. That's what you want to do, because if you don't do that, then they won't grow fast and you won't be able to plant them as easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, fix their positions like that and that. And then here we have our little tree farm. But I might have to get rid of that. Oh gosh, that looks terrible now. But I had to. Okay, so oh no, that was horrible. Why did I do that? Anyways, okay, so now what you want to do is you want to also don't forget to harvest your crops and stuff, so that way you get some money. Let me time lapse this. Okay, so now that we've done that, what you want to do is, so it did grow, so we do have enough space for it to grow. So what I want to do is I want to do that, and then I want to place this down again, and then pick out this, and it should plant right there, and then it almost grows instantly. So you get tons of wood, and you always get your saplings back. So it's really helpful, and yeah, this video might be short, I don't know, I'm not, if it is, then, well, I'll see you guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, see y'all next time. Bye-bye.